Meaning of directive.
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 Directive. A directive is an instruction or order given by someone in authority. It is usually intended to guide the actions of others towards a specific goal or objective. Directives can be formal or informal, and they can come from various sources, such as government officials, managers, or supervisors. The result of following a directive is typically the achievement of the desired outcome or the completion of the assigned task. By adhering to directives, individuals or groups can ensure that their actions align with the expectations of those in charge, which can lead to greater efficiency and effectiveness.